Alright, I want to show you this GENMAX that we purchased. It took a lot of time and research into finding the right generator for our fit, and this is it. It's a GM 7250 model. It runs on gasoline or propane. We usually just use gas because it gives a little more power for our camper and our house. On gasoline, you can get 7,250 starting watts, and the running watts is 6,000. On propane, the starting watts is 6,500 and the running watts is 5,500. All around, this is a really great product. We use it to power our travel trailer, and we can also use it for our house when we have a power outage. I'll show you the other side here. It's got an eco mode here. You turn it on and off and it'll run quieter. This is your on button. This sends power to everything. This is your start button. This is your fuel source. Right now we have it on gasoline. When we turn the fuel off, I go into the middle. We're switching it over to propane. It also has a grounding connector here. And if you wanted to, if you had two of these generators, you can wire them up together and get twice the wattage. It also comes with, most importantly, the 50 amp hookup and two AC outlets. It also has a Type-C USB charger. Your voltage, you can have it fixed for 120, or you can switch it over to 120, 240. We leave it on 240 for our camper, so it will run everything. This is your propane hookup. I'll go ahead and start it up here in a moment and show you what it sounds like. Also on this side, if your battery does die, you actually got a nice little pull handle. Very easy to pull if you had to start it with that. Another nice feature comes with a remote start key fob, so you can turn it on and off from a distance if you need to. So we'll go ahead and we got our button on, got the eco mode turned off. We'll go ahead and give it a start. So we're going to switch it over to eco mode so it'll run quieter. As you can see, that really cuts down on the noise. It also has your fuel level, 0, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. It can also show your output, which right now we don't have it hooked up to anything, but we will here in a minute. I'll go ahead and turn this off. Got it hooked up to the camper. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. We're going to run inside and I'll show you what it's capable of running on our camper. Our camper we're going to have on 240, so it sends power to everything in our camper. We'll go ahead and follow me inside and we'll show you what it powers up. Alright, so we're in my camper. We're going to go ahead and turn it on, send power to everything. We can power our water heater, turn all the lights on, awning lights. We have a 32-foot camper. So we need a lot of power to run this because we have two air conditioning units on the top, which if you're a camper, you know 2 air conditioning units is really helpful. And we want to be able to power both of them. And we can with this generator. We also have an electric fireplace. You can turn on everything in this camper and run it off our generator. Microwave, 2 air conditioning units, hot water heater, fridges, anything you can think of. We also use it for our house. We had a bad winter storm, lost power, and we were able to keep our lights on and our heat running. And for a good generator, GENMAX is where it's at. You know, propane, gas, you can run a camper, you can run your house, anything you can think of you can power, basically, if the wattage is in the right numbers.